Hi printing family. Dave here from PrinterMe 3D. Today, we're going to take a look at how desiccant beads can really absorb moisture from the air, lower humidity, and help keep your filament drier. So let's dive in. If you find these videos helpful or entertaining, please give us a like and subscribe. I live near the Gulf Coast here in Texas, where the temperatures and humidity can get very high. So I need a way to help keep my filament as dry as I can. Desiccant beads are one way to accomplish this. I'll also be making a video soon on using vacuum sealed bags for the same purpose. As you can see, the humidity is pretty high inside my AMS unit. The previous desiccant beads have absorbed about all they can. So let's change it out. The desiccant beads I use are a purple color when saturated, and a blue color when fresh. The beads can be reactivated by placing them in the oven for 30 minutes to 2 hours at 200 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, or microwave for 10 minutes at defrost mode. Don't use over 250 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven. Depending on the bead's condition, they may take shorter than the recommended time. Please check the bead's color periodically. There's a link in the description to the beads I am using, and recommend. So let's fill up our desiccant holders. There's also a link in the description to these 3D printed holders. Let's drop the holders back into the AMS unit, and load our filament back in. Let's watch the humidity drop in this time-lapse video. I stopped the video when it hit 14% humidity, but later it hit the lowest at 10%. That's a pretty good drop. My maker friends, that's all for now. Again, if you found this video helpful, consider clicking like and subscribe to help our channel grow. See you in the next one.